silly sausage, Roman.
Yeah, I got confused, didn't I?
No, Roman, I'm talking about that. You don't need to do that. You're already in the States.
I will stop doing. I will not. I'm going to carry on doing it, regardless of what you say.
Then you're not driving my car anymore.
You're not driving this car anymore.
Roman?
Ringo knows what he wants.
Ringo doesn't want you to break his stuff. Say sorry to Ringo and put everything back where you found it so that I can drive tomorrow.
You're not driving tomorrow?
Yes, I am.
Okay, well, I'll go in the Fiesta.
Fine. We can go in the Fiesta tomorrow if you want, but we are not going in Ringo with you driving and braking her.
It's not a her. Apologise.
You apologise.
Ringo, she keeps calling you a girl, and I don't do that. So, who do you like more?
Ringo, he keeps being a twat.
Is it Samantha or is it me?
I think that answers your question. Squeak once for Samantha. Squeak 5 times for Roman. Squeak for 5 minutes on a long squeak for Roman. Don't squeak at all for Samantha. That's the answer.
Well, one for you, Pippa.
Oh, great, thank you.
One for Dominic Bird.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
One for you, Matthew.
Thank you.
Oh hi, I was just speaking to Sophie. I came in.
We should do some Toblerones actually. We could do some.
Yeah. We haven't done some for a few days.
Some classics. We don't normally do Toblerone on a Saturday. Let me take a break, and then maybe we'll do some Toblerones. We're right back.
No. What are you doing, you moron?
Where's the red there?
When I was a kid here in Iceland,
Pay tribute to her on TV.
Even at the deepest moments of our struggle for liberation, Mom Winnie was an abiding symbol of the design.
Left again.
Oh shit, they closed the gate.
Before the phone box.
Here, Roman.
Just here. That is the one. Right here. Wicked. Actually left here. There's Musa.
Musaka.
Thanks for the lift.
You're
I'd
welcome.
have been fucked if I had to walk that.
I know, I didn't think you would have done it.
I don't think I would have.
Not before nightfall, anyway.
Alright, hop on out.
You want me to walk from here?
Mind the wall.
Jesus, Roman. Thanks for the lift.
Bye.
See you
See you later.
Bye.
Yeah, it's McDonald's really worth it.
Could have just gone to the one at Asda. Oh, baby!
Sorry. I did that last time as well, didn't I?
I don't remember, but could you not? What a moron! Did you just see him?
Did you?
Idiot.
I had a dream that I kept missing pedestrians on zebra crossings. Like I'd go to a zebra crossing and just as I was going through there was someone already there. It's like, they keep popping out of nowhere.
Yeah, that's, I think it will be cheaper.
Mine. Yeah.
kind of slightly lower gear, I don't suppose.
No, I tried looking sexy.
He's making us.
but it
He's
just
making
made
us
me
go
crazy.
deaf.
I think he really likes high gears. This is what I always say.
Yeah.
He always says I'm in too low.
It's gonna hurt the engine. Don't let him get away with it.
I try and tell him.
That's how Samantha drives around.
Pardon?
That's how Samantha drives around.
How fast are you going? What gear are you in?
Second?
No, I'm in third gear at 30.
Second's probably good. You want to give your alternator a chance to charge your battery up, girl. But hey,
Ray will be in fifth though by now.
I know. The engine's going. Please don't hurt me.
Are you in fifth? Just to be annoying.
Down to 4. Ready? Come on, mate.
It's just a flying rat. You're such a gentle soul.
Even if it is a Sunday evening.
Is this recording now?
Yes.
What if I did that?
But it's still recorded. It just won't see
my
very
hand.
well. Yeah.
You have to change the little
I do indeed.
memory card.
It's about 4.5 hours.
Right.
Yeah, the problem with next-base cameras is that they don't accept very big capacity memory cards. It's only 32 gigs. Whereas a lot of other dashcams on the market go up to 128.
You've got a port on your computer, just slap it into them.
Yeah.
And do you do that every time or only if there was an incident?
Every time.
Why do you do that?
Because I make videos. Although I haven't done any in a while.
Probably the same question still applies. Why do you do that?
Because it's interesting to some people.
Right? So you would make a video of this.
Yes, I wouldn't.
There's a record voice.
Yes,
So that would make it interesting because my voice is on there.
of course.
Okay, that's cool. If I turn it around and have my face, then it's I
Yeah.
mean, you'd be an internet sensation.